Good morning. It is day 29, Monday, April 21st, 2025. I have yet to get any reply from any of the local ads for used trailers that I've sent out. And who knows, maybe I'll just have to pick up something cheap at Walmart or Target just to get rolling. Not ideal. They're not great trailers. The bearings wear out fast. They're too heavy, but whatever. I'll make something work within the next day or so. About to go to get some breakfast, maybe over to Costco. Well, we'll see what my brother's doing with me today. So, finally got somebody to contact me. Going to look at a Burley Bee meeting at Walmart 6 p.m. tonight, so we got a couple hours to kill. Wandering around Home Depot at the moment because really got nothing better to do. Did find this though. That might be helpful as I'm riding across later parts of New Mexico and across Texas. So we'll give this a shot. Well, now we're killing time at the Effin' Bar and Grill. I got myself a nice red ale. I guess the name of the beer brand is Marble, so Marble Red Ale. And I'm having the Effin' Burger. Let me show you what that says on the menu. Yeah, I can agree with all that. We'll see how extra large that patty is, though. Oh yeah, that looks good. Time to eat. All right, everybody. New trailer has been acquired, and I'd like to give a special thank you to Steve for contributing. It definitely helped. We'll get this thing back to my brother's place. I'll figure out if it loads any different, and I don't know if I'm going to take off tomorrow or do the things I was going to do at my brother's place. I was planning on spending a couple days with him anyways, but now that I don't have to worry about the trailer, I can focus on some other things first. But yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get this thing loaded and go. Well, this unintentional 0 day comes to an end. I'm quite happy that it only took me a bit over 24 hours to get a replacement trailer. It's color I want, it's brand I want, quality I want. But it did cost 6 times more than what I paid for the trailer I started the trip out on. So I guess it's just what's available in the market. Chicagoland market's a lot bigger. There's a lot more used trailers out there, and it's easier to find one that's got a few more years on it, but still quite serviceable. At this point, I do not plan on riding again tomorrow. I had already planned on spending a few days at my brother's and doing things in this area with him. So I'm here already. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that way, when I do start riding, I'm not making the detour off of Route 66 to come out by his place. Let's see. Anything? Let's see. No. Oh, I have already started trying to. I'm doing some loading of the trailer, things that I don't need right away. I got my tent and my spares already in the new trailer. Downside that I do see with the new trailer is that some of the big pockets that I was using in the old trailer are much reduced, or split in two. So, but I'll figure things out. It's going to be a small learning curve, but it'll be all right. So with that, I got some personal bookkeeping to do. So, everybody, have yourselves a great night and a wonderful morning.